Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the start of my full weekend vlog, which is going to consist of the spring game, family in town, family beach day, and then Sunday is the most exciting part of the vlog. It is my second baby shower. My first baby shower was beautiful, gorgeous. My mama did a great job. Ignore this ball of hair, okay? My mama did a great job on the baby shower in Huntsville, but that was more of like a family event. So this weekend is for friends, the lit baby shower. We got an open bar, we got catering, we got music, we got a rooftop venue. So it's gonna be very beautiful, and I'm just ready, so excited to bring you guys on the journey this weekend and just get a little bit of my life and see what it's like just having family around. I'm gonna have a full house. I'm talking bedrooms full, people on the couch, blow up mattresses. Like, I love it. I love having my house full of family and friends. Like, I love hosting. I love being hospitable to the people I love. So yeah, this will be a great chance for you guys to just see a great weekend with me and my family, and of course the baby shower and a little treat, the spring game. So I'm already dressed. Let me calm down. Okay, so I'm already dressed. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit in a minute, but got my little Dior's on. This is my spring game fit, giving mommy. So let me rewind a little bit. So my cousin and my close friend from middle school is in town already. I have about 2 more friends coming in town, and my sister that's staying at my house, and then my uncle, his wife, and his kids, and my dad's in town, and then Javion's god family is here, and his mom and sisters are coming in town tonight. So we're about to be booked and busy, but I'm super excited right now. Let me just give y'all a little outfit show. So this is the outfit, y'all. It's giving mom, super cute, like it. And yeah, let's go see what everybody else is doing. So hey y'all, say hey. Hey. This is Ajavia, my best bitch since 7th grade. 6th grade, get it right, okay? And Angela, my favorite cousin. Okay, I like y'all's outfits. Y'all are giving about to catch somebody.
Yeah, giving real cornbread fed, been
Period. But okay, we are ready to go. We're kind of running late, but that's all right.
We're about to have a ball.
Our ministry, we're always late.
Yeah, exactly. It's a leak.
Yep, but we gonna take y'all on the journey with us. It's kind of raining right now, but hopefully the weather clears up a bit.
I know that you're young and turnt still.
Hey y'all, so we're in the car. We had to get gas, and yes, we just stopped at the liquor store. And yes, I bought stuff to restock the bar cart, just because I love being hospitable, like I said, and I want everybody to be lit in my house. So I bought like 4 of those like
You
mixed.
spent like $350. I bought hella shit.
Oh my gosh, shut up. I bought hella stuff for real though. I got like 1 of every type of liquor just to satisfy everybody, and then I got like 2 mixed bottles of liquor. So yeah, we're ready for this weekend. But right now we finna hit the road. We gonna get there like right before the game starts, so we gonna have to rush. I'm about to floor it for real, but this traffic is just about to piss me off, but it's okay. Not gonna lie, I am kind of hungry right now.
Did they have good food at the game?
I don't even know.
It's your first game.
But yeah, so we'll check in with y'all when we get to the stadium, get our tickets and check in and everything. We made it. Daddy, say hey to my YouTube.
Hey, what's up, YouTube?
Apparently, they got us walking all around.
Walking 8 miles.
We from Alabama, you know, there's designated player seating. This is different in Miami, y'all. We don't do that at Bama, but it's okay. It's still all about the youth, so. I'll check back in when we find our seats. This is a little ghetto, but it's okay. It's okay. Y'all, it's too hot. I'm gonna take this off. We finally made it to our seats. We had to walk all the way from this corner all the way over here. So y'all know I'm tired now. So we finna watch the game. I'm gonna try to catch some good highlights on tape, and we'll check back in with y'all.
Donald Cheney Jr. Brought down by number 30 point, Wesley Blessings.
Touchdown, Orange!
I'm vlogging this whole day.
You vlogging the whole day?
Yeah, say hey to YouTube.
Hey YouTube, how y'all doing? Making a YouTube video?
Yeah. Fan love. Let me stop. Look at all this stuff we got. We really went crazy. Like, I'm a good host. So, yeah. We're checking out. Say bye, Leo. Leo's miserable with the cone on, but he'll live. He just got neutered last week, so a few more days left.
2 more days, 2 more years left before you get back in my house.
Anyways, day 1. Okay, y'all, we are all ready. Everybody, we're ready to go to the beach. We're about to roll deep. And we ran to Sam's. We got the cooler ready. Leo's coming with us. So I will tune in with y'all when we get to the beach. Leo, first day at the beach. Let's get in the water, Leo. Let's see how he does. He's scared. He's never seen the ocean. Come look, Leo. Come on. Leo, come. Come on, come here, mommy boy. Come here. Come here. He's scared. Come on, Leo. Good boy. Good boy. Yay. This is Leo's first time in the ocean. Good boy, Leo. Hey, y'all. We are about to go paddleboarding. We're going paddleboarding. There's some paddleboards out there.
Get out of the picture.
They're literally like right there. You just swallow it.
Ajani!
That's what we're about to do, y'all.
James got that 4K though, right?
No.
4K then?
All I can do is place it there.
Boy. Good morning, y'all. Day of the baby shower. Taylor made it in town. And I'm just cooking a little bit of breakfast. We're about to have brunch. The whole family and everything. And I'm making hash brown casserole. We're having French toast, eggs, sausage, bacon, the whole 9. So yeah, we finna throw down, and I will check back in with y'all once the food's ready, once everybody's here and mingling. Say hey, Leo.
I had some ideas already, so I don't know if they're
All right,
camera.
here they go with the TikToks.
But she has to not look like that.
Okay, look real quick. Hi guys, so this is the look. I need to put my lashes on, but we're gonna do that later. But hello, everybody's here, and I'm gonna record the food, but just want to check in with y'all. Hey, everybody say hi. Okay, hold on, y'all. We have the layout. This is the spread, y'all. She's so greedy, and then she be the main one not doing nothing. Like, did you contribute?
Yes.
What? Hello. We're all ready to go. I'm about to get a full view of my outfit. This is the final fit. Yes, I have my penny loafers on because my feet is gonna hurt. But they go with the fit. Like, I love them. My little cousins. Final fit, you guys.
Yeah. Okay.
This is the baby shower. Thank you. Okay, let's see who's gonna win.
Everybody say hi. Hi.
Okay, ready? I see y'all cheating. Okay, is everybody's nipples ready?
Y'all better break the nipple.
5, 4, 3, 2, go. You gotta suck it, y'all can't bite it. If your nipples big, you're disqualified.
No. No.